In this video, I am going to show you the best spelling lesson on YouTube. And a lot of my content, I've got like my free stuff on YouTube and then my better stuff in the paid courses. I don't sell anything on spelling. I don't have an actual spelling course, so there's nothing I need to hold back. I'm just going to give you exactly how I would teach a kid to spell. Whether your kid is at this level, whether they're a little bit above, a little bit behind, use the exact same principles, the exact same steps, and you're going to see your kid's spelling go through the roof in a way that the school, the tutor, no one else can do, okay? You can do this at home, 5 minutes, here's what you do. Number one, is it okay if I borrow these for a second? You wanna test their letter sound knowledge. So the first thing you need to know is how many sounds does your kid know? You can do it as fast and as easy as this. What sound is that?
Wa. Yeah. Da. Eh.
Oh, awesome job. Really good. Now in this case, she knows 24 of these letter sounds, which means all of these are fair game to use. And there were 2 that she was working on, x and v. So if I want to improve her spelling, I want to make sure that I'm using words that feature these 2 sounds prominently. I'm going to give her lots and lots and lots of exposure on these 2 when we start spelling. Step 2, we want to figure out how many sounds she can hear in a word. I'm going to start with 2 sound words. If she can do that, I'll do 3 sounds. If she can do that, I'll do 4 sounds. But my goal right now is how many sounds can she hear so I know to teach the next level. Okay, you ready? I'm going to play a little game with words, okay? I'm going to say a word and I want you to tell me the sounds, okay? Listen carefully. Ought.
Ought.
What do you hear?
Ah. Ah.
Ought.
Ought. Ought.
Try the word if.
If. Ah.
If. Good job. Now let's practice some 3 sound words, okay?
Okay.
Try the word cup.
Cup. Cup.
What's the first sound of that?
Cup.
Do you hear any sounds after the k? Good job. So at this point, I am in her head. I know exactly what she knows, what she doesn't know, and I'm ready to make her a better speller. So typically, we would give a kid a random list of spelling words and just hope, pray that it gets them there. We can spend all day, all night doing it, and it's not gonna make them any better. In this case, I know there's 2 letter sounds she needs to work on, so I can give her words with these sounds. Plus, I know that she struggles to hear 3 sounds in a word. So guess what we're gonna practice? 3 sounds in a word. 2 sounds, too easy, she's got it down. 4 sounds, too hard, unproductive. We're gonna practice 3 sound words. I'm gonna give her lots of practice on these 2 sounds, and she's gonna get better at spelling today. It is going to improve because now I know where she's at. Quick note here, y'all. We just finished the lesson. It was great. This is Spencer from the future, and I wanted to let you know I'm about to do a bunch of things here that I'm not explaining. I added a free PDF in the description that you can download, open, and you can see the exact steps I'm gonna do with her, okay? I wanted you to see the full lesson, start to finish, without my voice coming in and explaining what I'm doing. So if you wanna learn more, just open up the PDF, download that, and you'll see exactly what I'm about to do with her here. So this brings us to step 3. The final step here is we're just gonna practice as much as possible, and that looks like this. The first word we're gonna spell is vox. Can you say the word vox?
Vox.
Let's say the first now. Ah. Vox. Let's do the sounds again.
Can I try it by myself this time? Vox. Ah.
Exactly right. Do it for me one more time so I know that you've got it.
Ah.
Awesome. You ready? Let's write the first sound you hear. Okay? I'm going to start right there
Vox.
in the upper corner. What was that first sound you heard? Man, now, one thing I want you to do, that's exactly right, is I want you to say every sound as you write them, okay?
Ah.
Good. Now read it back to me.
Fox.
Good. One word down. Are you ready for the next word? Okay. The next word we're going to write is going to be then.
Then.
Then. Not this. Then.
Then.
Yep. So let's try it again.
Then.
Then. There's a n down there, okay? Let's try it again. You're almost there. By yourself.
Okay.
Awesome. Now, remember, as you write, I want you to be saying each sound out loud, okay? Good job saying the sounds.
Like a nervo, like this one.
So, what do we say next? Then.
Then. I know the sound, but I don't know which letter.
Looks like that, and we're using the lowercase version, okay? Perfect. So read it back to me again.
Then.
Awesome. So now let's do the word tax. What's next?
Tax.
So what's next?
Axe. I did it.
One more time all by yourself.
Okay.
Tax.
Tax.
Okay. Writing hand. Okay. Bam. Look at that. Good job. Really good. Finger space, and you wrote it. Read that word back to me, please.
Axe.
Wait the first time.
Tax.
Good job. We're gonna do one more word, and then all done. Okay? The word is gonna be some.
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 Some. Some.
By yourself.
Yay, I finally tried S.
Read that word back to me.
Some.
Awesome job. Can you read all 4 words we practiced today?
Fox. Then.
Dot. First sound.
Tap. Tap.
Tax.
Tax.
Bam.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sun.
What's that sound?
Some.
Fast?
Some.
Good job. All right, that is it. Make sure you check out that free PDF so you can see all the little stuff I did there to make that lesson successful. My real thing, my big thing is teaching kids how to read. So if you want to get started teaching your kid how to read, I've got a free training. I've got paid courses. They're even better than what you see here. So make sure to check out the description for those resources too. As always, this is not always easy. It is always worth it. So if you want to get started with your little one, it could be a lot easier than you might think, okay? Have questions, need tips, want support, let me know. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon.